Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about a very trusted PayPal alternative for those of you who are having trouble with PayPal. There is a new alternative that is working hand in hand with PayPal to make sure that you are able to do your online transactions and withdraw your money without any issue. If this is something that you're interested in and you'd like to know more, continue watching this video and I will be right back. Before I get into the video of today, my name is Winnie Shum, and on this channel I make videos about different ways to make money online. If this is something that you're interested in, why not subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be talking about a very trusted PayPal alternative. I know that a lot of us have an issue with PayPal, especially when it comes to withdrawing money. Most African countries are not eligible to withdraw money. You can have a PayPal account, but you will not be able to withdraw money. I have made videos about different PayPal alternatives, especially Payoneer, but today I'm talking about an alternative that has been trusted even by PayPal to stand the gap in Africa. You know, there is a limitation when it comes to Africans using PayPal, not only Africans, but also other countries and continents, especially the Asia continent. Like in India, they are limited in using PayPal because of fraud and other reasons. But they are working hand in hand with this alternative I'm bringing to you today so that they can be able to reach the millions of people who want to use PayPal without any hassle. So with that said, let me show you this new alternative. So this alternative is called Flutterwave. I know that a lot of us have heard about Flutterwave, but let me get into details. Flutterwave is an online payment system. It is a fintech company with a mission of simplifying payments for small and big businesses and even individuals in Africa. So it's actually bridging the gap to fulfill the things that PayPal itself cannot fulfill. So they have operations in different countries in Africa. So what does Flutterwave actually do? So with Flutterwave, you can accept payments in more than 30 countries, especially African countries. It has an average number of about 500,000 processed daily payments. And you can use debit cards and virtual cards. You can use mobile money. You can use bank transfer. You can use Visa card. You can use whatever method you want to use to accept payment and withdraw your money. It's simple. So what has actually happened? So PayPal has actually been in African countries, probably like Nigeria, for a long time. It has been in Nigeria since 2014 and other African countries. However, the services in these African countries are limited with PayPal. And that is because of wild range of fraud from African countries like Nigeria, Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, just in general. So to bridge that gap, Flutterwave has partnered with PayPal to connect the 200 million plus users of PayPal to the different businesses in African countries. So PayPal has actually seen that they are losing, not giving their services fully to Africans. So they decided to partner with Flutterwave in order for them to achieve that goal. So this partnership between Flutterwave and PayPal means a lot to African businesses now, because these businesses can easily withdraw their money and use it with Flutterwave, which means that if you're doing online transactions, if you're making money online and you are in African countries and you are staying in an African country, you can easily withdraw your money without any hassle. But with PayPal, you are very limited. So Flutterwave offers physical and virtual cards. It offers invoice generation for customers. It even offers a free e-commerce store website for selling worldwide. It offers, it accepts payments, you know, it accepts transfer. So it even accepts over 600 plus businesses like Uber, MTN. You know, there are a lot of things that Flutterwave does that it's more beneficial for you to use than PayPal. So you no longer have to be struggling with PayPal. Oh, how do I withdraw my money? How do I get to do this with PayPal? No, just sign up with Flutterwave and your issues will be solved. So this is the website. All you need to do is to create a free account. So when you create a free account, it's going to bring you to this page. All you need to do is to write your full name, your email address, your trading name, like if you're doing a business or if you're a trading name, like this is the name of your business, that's if you have, and country. So Flutterwave can actually be used in Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Egypt, Ghana, Kenya, Malawi, Mauritius, Morocco, Mozambique, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, Tanzania, Uganda, and Zambia. So these are the countries where you can use Flutterwave in, which is great. And if you have a referral code, you put it here and you just click get started. That is it. So you'll be up and running in 5 minutes. You have multiple payment options. You have virtual card. You have a physical card for your physical transactions, like transactions you want to do in person. And it's very fast and seamless. So this is the best alternative now for PayPal, because it's actually a partnership, which means that they are bridging the gap and they are working together with PayPal. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have a question, put in the comment section. I'll always find time to answer. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and come back to watch my videos. Please, these videos, I make them for you, and when you come back to watch it, you encourage me to make more videos. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.